Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a current favorites or summer favorites video for you guys. Really excited because I really like all the items that I'm going to be telling you guys or showing you guys today, and everything is linked down below in the description box. Some links are affiliated and some aren't, but it's not going to cost you guys anything if you guys are interested in any of them. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So the first item I have to show you guys is actually the necklace that I'm wearing right now, which is from the brand Justine Clenquet. They're basically a jewelry company, a handmade jewelry company that's based in France. They can be bought from SSENSE, Farfetch, their own website. I love all the stuff that they have. They have like these new silver and pink jewelry, which looks super duper cute. This is what the necklace looks like. I'm wearing it right now. I don't know if it looks best with this t-shirt, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Basically just a chain necklace, which you guys know I love silver chain necklaces, but it's also got just some details about it, which just makes it different from any other chain necklace that I have. I just feel like all their items are just made with a lot of detail. I mean, all their products are handmade, which is what they say. One of their most popular products, actually, I mentioned in a previous haul video, is their kind of like mix and match or unbalanced earring, where one earring is like maybe a smaller dangly rhinestone and the other one is like a super long one. So it's like really cool. A lot of people, you know, get that, but I also really love their necklaces as well. This is what their box looks like. Just very, very basic. I love it so much. I'm gonna be putting this item in a haul soon, so definitely check that out. But if you guys are interested, link down below. Love it so much. But yeah, this is the first item and I'm genuinely super into Justine Clenquet stuff. So the second item I wanted to talk to you guys about is a fragrance or a perfume, a scent, and it's from Replica from Maison Margiela, and it's in the scent Lazy Sunday Morning, which I'm pretty sure is their brand's most favorite or most popular scent, and I definitely understand why it's their most popular scent because it smells amazing. The first time I actually sprayed this item, when I first got it, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like it, but then actually it grew on me, and I really like it. It's kind of like, to be honest, like this scent to me is kind of mature. I'm pretty bad at describing scents, but it's just very clean and smells mature, and smells really nice. Go smell if you guys are interested, or if you guys also like the scent, please tell me what, I don't know, you think of the scent and how to describe it. But essentially on the packaging right here, it says, for the fragrance description, soft skin and bed linen, but it really does smell like a lazy Sunday morning, even though I wear it on like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or like any day of the week. I think I got the biggest size of this fragrance, and it's like the super big bottle, but I really love like kind of the aesthetic and how it looks. Love their candle packaging as well. I just think their packaging is so cute, very classic, and just putting it there makes me so happy to look at because it's just so nice and so pretty. So I heard like Beach Walk is really good. I also see on Xiaohongshu that the Fireplace one is really good as well, like the brownish one. I don't know about the rest, but I'm pretty sure that this is like the most cult favorite. So if you guys are interested in trying out a scent from Replica, definitely check out Lazy Sunday Morning because it smells super good. All right guys, moving on to the third item. It's gonna be a skincare item. This is just a mask. This mask right here. Basically, I don't know what it says because it's in Japanese, but essentially this mask inside is like jelly instead of the usual kind of liquid in mask, like the serum. The kind of serum in this mask is a super thick jelly, which is really gonna hydrate your skin. The mask is also really kind of like chonky, like it's a thick mask, not like those really thin ones. Those masks, like the usual face masks, I rip them really easily, but this mask is super thick and coated in this thick honey jelly that's gonna really hydrate your skin. Definitely suitable for winter, but I got it in the summer and I've been using it a lot. It's really good. This is what it looks like. I just have one left in this box, but it's pretty thick compared to the usual masks on the market. So the fourth item I wanted to share with you guys is actually an item I recently did a video on. It's the By Far Mini Rachel bag in the white color with the silver chain. I think it's super duper cute. I wore it out and I was like, this is so cute. It's just, I don't know, so basic yet so cute. I definitely think that the chain gives this item like its life, you know, because I feel like there's a lot of these kind of baguette leather bags out in the market. You know, a lot of people have them, whether it's in cream, black, brown. I just feel like this chain adds so much detail and like character to it and really matches with everything that I have because As you can see, it's silver, which I love. I love silver, anything silver. And I got this item off of Farfetch. I got it when it was on sale, so good time. By Far bags do go on sale very frequently, so don't get it regular price, like wait until it's on sale. But this bag definitely is super duper suitable for the summertime and I love it so much. Definitely check out the Mini Rachel bag if you've been eyeing By Far bags, because I think they're super basic, but they just add a lot, you know? And I'll definitely be linking a couple different variations of this bag in the description box for you guys to check out. So the next couple of items are some clothing items, or basically just two clothing items that are like my most staple pieces if I'm going out. And the first is biker shorts. Love biker shorts. This is just a clean pair that I have. I recently got a pair from Oakenfort, which I love. Like the material is super, it feels like Lululemon, but it's from Oakenfort. Very good bang for my buck. Super duper comfortable. But this is from Aritzia, so it's more of like a cotton material. Guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know what style this is in. So they just look like this, plain black biker shorts. Always wearing these when I'm going out. Basically just like put on a big t-shirt on top of it and you're good to go. I think when it gets a little bit more chilly and the weather kind of goes down a bit, you can wear these biker shorts with like sweatshirts and hoodies, which I think will also be super duper cute. Definitely check them out. They're just so comfortable and so the next item I wanted to show you guys is a large t-shirt, like a super basic large t-shirt that you can wear over biker shorts. I'm currently wearing a t-shirt from Brandy Melville, but this one's like really cropped. I don't really wear super cropped t-shirts out anymore, so I'm just, you know, wearing it when I'm filming. I usually prefer large, big t-shirts because I'm just super comfortable in them. So this t-shirt I've just been wearing so much this year, and I'll be linking a couple like big t-shirts that I really like in the description box if you guys want to check out a few. But yeah, this is just from Vetements and it's just a big black t-shirt and it has like a little, you know, thingy on the back. Perfect to go with the biker shorts that I just showed you guys. Very comfortable outfit, and like, you know, wear the little By Far bag and it's just super cute. So yeah, I really like this. I guess I'll just last couple of items are, of course, some lip products. Love lip products so much. So these are some of my current favorite lip products, and they're both from MAC, which we love. And I'm currently wearing one of them right now. I just love colors like this, like kind of dark reddish purpley colors. Cool tone dark reds and like a luster finish are my favorite. Really love luster finishes. I don't really like mattes. So for these kind of darker colors, I just put like a thin layer on my lips, use a Q-tip to blend it out. And these two are some of my favorites. They're like probably my favorite MAC lipsticks. I did an entire MAC lipstick collection, but half of the colors are like nude lipsticks, which I don't like. So this is in the color Dare You. So pretty, kind of like dark purpley, just gorgeous color. So that's what this color looks like. So gorgeous, like love it so much. The problem with this is if you do want to take it out with you to kind of reapply during the day, these finishes like melt. I just feel like in the heat and like I'm carrying it in my bag, I'm so scared that these like formulas are gonna melt. I don't know. So the next color is the color that I'm currently wearing on my lips. Also kind of similar to this color. This is in the shade Spice It Up, and they're both luster lipsticks. Oh God, I'm sorry guys. So the color that I'm actually wearing on my lips right now is Dare You, the first color that I showed. The second color is the one that I kept in my bag, and yeah, this is in the shade Spice It Up. It's a luster lipstick and it's a lot more purpley than Dare You, but I love both of them. These two colors both kind of look similar on my lips, but I love them both. And so these are the colors. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you guys made it here, I hope you guys had a great time watching the items, you know, that I'm currently enjoying, and definitely check them out if you guys are interested, because I love all of them genuinely so much and have been using them a lot. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also follow me on my other social media platforms linked in the description box. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.